Silver white linens that fade into spring, flowers and whispers and beautiful things. And it seems that God made you just for me. Some call it destiny, some call it fate, a reason, a season, a lifetime to wait. I believe that God made you just for me. Baby's breath, roses and pictures and poses were just like an exodus led here by Moses. And sometimes it feels like the prophets had told us to be, 'cause God made you just for me. Sweeter than candy and softer than rain, you dance on the water, it turns to champagne. And I see that God made you just for me. Your body before me like uncharted sand, the places Columbus would die just to stand on the sea. And God made you just for me. Stories of angels come dance in my mind, where heroes and lovers become